Lesson 1. Listening and Speaking. A. Vocabulary. 1. Listen, point, and say. Classroom objects. Bag. Pencil case. Pencil. Ruler. Sharpener. Pen. Bag. Pencil case. Pencil. Ruler. Sharpener. Pen. 2. Read and match. 1. Ruler. 2. Pencil. 3. Sharpener. 4. Pencil case. Three. Connect and write. 1. BEMPIN. 2. BAKDEG. 3. KOLERRUIOI. 4. PINCIJDEUSEL. B. Language. Asking questions to establish what things are. 1. Listen, point, say. What's this? It's a pencil. What's this? It's a pencil. 2. Look and tick right. What's this? 1. It's a pen. It's a bag. 2. It's a pencil case. It's a sharpener. 3. It's a pencil. It's a pen. 4. It's a ruler. It's a sharpener. 3. Look and complete. What's this? 1. A pencil. 2. Bag. 3. It's a. 4. A